Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want in-depth answers, multi-sources analysis and high-quality insights using deep research in Perplexity AI is one of the most powerful features available. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use deep research in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, open Perplexity AI. So go to perplexity.ai or open the mobile application, log into your account. Okay, so this is recommended. It's required for advanced features. So activate deep research mode to look for deep research option or advanced search toggle. Enable it. Ask a complex question, for example, analyze the long-term effects of AI on jobs with sources. For example, just an example, or compare different muscle building strategies scientifically, or explain inflammation causes with real-world data and studies. So after that, press enter. It works best with detailed queries. Wait for processing. Deep research takes longer. The AI will search multiple sources, analyze information, build structured outputs. So you have just to be patient. So review the structured answer. So you will get organized sections, deep explanations, multiple sources. Read carefully. And it's a high quality output. Check sources and citations. So click references, links, verify credibility. So this is essential for research. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.